So this is my PlayStation 2 Fat console. It's a single owner. I got this thing back in Christmas 2003 for 250 bucks. I've shown this thing on my videos lately, but honestly it has been used since 2006 or early 2007, and I have no idea what is wrong with it, if there is anything wrong with it at all, or if it works after all those years. All I know is that I had replaced the laser head arm gear at some point, and I had broke the fan. I guess because I could. This thing is in such a bad condition that I'm ashamed to claim it's mine. Yeah, anyways, it's a 50,004 European model, made in China, unlike the early ones. This is the fan I was talking about. And is this thing a wire coming off the fan? Yeah, anyways. Oh yeah, it is. Anyways, let's tear this thing down. Before I plug it in, I need to make sure that the power supply is in good condition, because if it blows up, it might take other components with it. You should always isolate it before trying all devices. This might not be of such a great value, but if the power supply has anything wrong with it, it will be a shame to break other things too. Most screws are loose, but this one is stripped. Loose. Oh, and stripped. Oh, another stripped. Is there even a screw? Oh yeah, it is. And another one. What's that? That was a good one. Surprise, surprise. Oh, there we go. Don't ask me why it's not plugged. Yeah, that looks like it had humidity at some point. Let me take the disk drive off. I don't remember how I was doing it. I was like 12. Oh, there we go. Oh my, oh my. So for I mean, I have no idea what's going on. I don't remember anything. Why was this thing unplugged? I mean, oh, maybe that's damaged. Yeah, it's definitely damaged. I mean, look at that. The disk drive is off by the ribbon cable. Those are nice, actually. Yeah, it's nice and tight, so the arm still works, perhaps. That's broken off. Does it have any disc? No. I think I broke the connector. Anyways, It has a mod chip. Yeah, that's very usual. I'd installed that in 2004, I think. Is that a screw or what? Oh, yeah. Oops. Let me see that. Doesn't look like it has anything wrong, but then again, you never know. Fuse is alright. And here, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the fun part. Let's see if it blows up. Don't blow up on me. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's good. Let me see. Oh, the leads are working. The power supply, it's as good as dead. One thing I must tell is that I hate switching power supplies, I hate fixing them and all these things. And one thing I can tell is that I do get the correct voltage on the main cap. Let's say I get 312 volts. Another thing I can tell is that I hear low frequency buzzing from the secondary transformer. Maybe I say maybe because of that it's a capacitor issue, maybe one of those. Maybe it's a resistor on the switching controller. I mean, it's not power cycling, it could be a transistor or low supply voltage on the controller, but you know something, I'm not trying to fix that now because it's a what's wrong with my PlayStation 2 console video after all. But yeah, anyways guys, I knew that this video wasn't going to be very long, even though I couldn't remember any of these. The autopsy says broken fan. Anyways, a dead power supply, disputable motherboard condition. Maybe it works, I have no idea. You can fix this flex cable by cutting the part on the front and reuse it anyways. And I could hotwire the motherboard by connecting those two pins on 12 volts and try it out, but anyways, I think that's enough for today. If you want to see me doing that anyways, write that in the comment section and maybe I will try that next time. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.